just a broken road that led me straight to you. Hello everyone, it is Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I just want to state a few things that you could probably tell. I did chop my hair off. I just needed it cut. So I got it cut and this is the shortest it has ever been and I love it. Just to point that out, yeah, I cut my hair, okay? It's not a big deal, but I'm just, you know, letting you guys know because you're probably wondering. Actually, you're probably not wondering. You probably have already seen it. Today's video is very exciting because I've never done anything like this before. I'm doing a room tour. A lot of people know this has not been requested. My vanity tour has been requested a lot, which I think I might film this exact day as well. You might see that coming up very, very soon. Basically, I redecorated my room. Not really. I wouldn't say redecorated. I kind of just like put up different photos you'll see when you see my room. And it just feels very cozy. I love it. I also just want to point out this cube section is not sorted out. It's a bit messy, so ignore that. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I don't really know how I'm gonna like show you my room because I've never done this before, so it's like, if it's bad, bear with me, you know. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the intro. If you want to see my room, keep on watching. That sounds really creepy. So when you walk in my room, the first thing you see is this, obviously. But I'll give you a little bit of an overview. Okay. So first of all, hi. Annalisa gave me that, so shout out to you, girlfriend. Behind the door, I have a Heath Ledger canvas I got from Vinnie's. Yeah, it's just a canvas. It's cute. I love him. Anyways, so on this wall, this is a 16 square cube unit. Some little bits and bobs over here. So this is what I said in the beginning, that it's really, really messy, so ignore it. But this is a little bit of an overview. Basically, this little dolphin thingy and bob, my auntie gave my mum. It was just always in mum's closet and I wanted it up because I love dolphins, so I just put it there. If I didn't have that up there, I'd have more of these photos up there, so either way there'd be something on this wall, but I just put that one up there. This is a stereo. We have a few frames, so we've got two Glee ones. We've got Corey Monteith and like a Glee edit from Tumblr. Me and Corey. What how cute we were. And obviously my frame that Lexi got me for Christmas. Fake flowers because I'm extra like that. A martini glass and a lighter. Over here we just have some random ass shit. These two are for family members. And this is just really random ass shit. So basically a dolphin. Sunglasses, toy cards from my childhood, and some Joker playing cards that also Lexi gave me for my birthday. The lighting's really bad, by the way. We've got 3 sets of photos. I need to like move them around. I don't know where to put them. Here we have all of my perfumes. Just stare at Sean for a while, thank you. And then we start my books. So there's a lot. I'm not going to go through them all because there's so many. And then we have my DVDs, only some of them. And then that is the DVD player I got for Christmas. And then they're just random CDs and just random shit down there. Moving across, I've got some black and white photos, which you'll see obviously blends in with the rest of my wall. Yeah, cute. And we have my amplifier frame. Down there is the 1975 poster and a bunch of pillows and a basket and a tripod. These are my cupboards. Oh my god, the floor! Jeez. This is my calendar for the year. Again, if you watch my birthday vlog, you know Rhiannon made this for me. Oh my god. Over here we have my little jewelry thing. I'm literally wearing sandals and socks. Don't judge me. So this is just a full-length mirror, which I love. These are from my birthday with the like little Polaroid thing, if you remember that. I made these, so I just stuck my favourites around. Yeah. And then behind here is a drawing a friend of mine from high school drew for me of Sam Smith for my birthday. We have my makeup stool, which goes here, and my purse. I guess I'll show you this side because this isn't like, this is just random shit in here. The rest is clothes. Hats, and skincare. It's just clothes and shit, but I just thought I'd show you that for some reason, I don't know. This is the other side of the black and white photos. A lot of these are either Eyewitness or Scam because I recently finished watching both of those shows and I just needed them on my wall. So most of them are Scam or Eyewitness. And then this is my vanity. A lot of people have been asking about this goddamn thing. This rug's from Kmart also, I just put it there. It looks cute. But this, lighting, come on, come on. I'll be doing a in-depth vanity tour, but I'll just show you what's on top, I guess. My tissues. A mirror, hello. I got some 2 tickets up here. This is Shawn Mendes, if it focuses. And that's Sam Smith. I have not seen Sam Smith in concert. And Elisa gave it to me, so thanks, girl. 4 of my favourite pop vinyls. I have more in the cupboard, but these are just my 4 of my favourites in like the protector thingies. My Jeffree Star lipsticks, nothing new there. Some photos, Baymax, and obviously this all has products in it, and these all have products in it as well. So the vanity tour is coming very, very soon. I promise, okay? It's coming very, very soon. Promise. And this is like my main attraction. Like everyone loves looking at this. I love this shit so much. But this is my bed. But basically this is the wall. Try to move back a bit so you can see it. But there's a lot. So basically all I did for this was print up black and white portrait A4 photos and literally just stuck them on, and this is how it looks. So obviously that goes with this and that also, so like it kind of blends in. I love this wall. I love it so much. But basically that is it. Pretty much. Like it's not nothing fancy. This is just a really quick room tour, but like it's exciting, isn't it? I don't know. I don't really know how to do this shit, so yeah. To explain this like black and white thing, I saw a photo online, but it wasn't exactly like this, but then I decided to just do this and it like looked so good, and it just makes my room feel like my own, even though it is my own. Going into this, I wanted the photos on the wall to represent me and my personality. Hello. And I feel like if you walk in the room and you stare at these, you know it's like me. I don't know. Like it's really weird, but you can tell that all these photos are directed at me or my personality or something like that. Something along those lines. But I just love the look of it. Like it's so pretty. But that's pretty much it. I know this is really boring. Yeah. I'm boring as hell, aren't I? Wow. Why you subscribe to me? I'm very boring. Okay. Wow. Okay. So guys, that's the end of this room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very different video. But as I said at the beginning, I'm planning on doing my vanity tour literally right after this. So keep an eye out for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. If you are new here, please subscribe because I make a video whenever I feel like it. So yay! All my social media links are in the description box down below like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys whenever I post next. Bye guys.
Go to imaginary parties and I'll make believe Ferrari, baby, let's get fresh. It's like we just met. If you wanna catch fire, we'll get a little